In a crazy quick update from the past month, we'll look at Microsoft's biggest event for the year, Azure playing nice with AWS S3, and Microsoft saving the day for TikTok, plus much more. Hi, I'm Matt Carolyn, and welcome to Puck Online, where we aim to bring you the hot topics for the last month in the public cloud space. It's been a couple of months since my last video due to a lot of exciting changes and activity in my life. Today we are here in downtown Austin, Texas, where I've been discovering Texas barbecues and a few chops tonight is on the menu. Lots of announcements to cover in the next little bit, so let's get into it. So there are a couple of events coming up for Microsoft. We have Empower Everyone, Microsoft's Power Platform Conference in Orlando, Florida, from the 18th to the 23rd of September, with over 110 speakers, 150 sessions, 18 workshops and more. Then we have Microsoft Ignite on October 12th to 14th in Seattle, which will feature keynote speakers such as Satya Nadella and Scott Guthrie, as well as others. The purpose of Ignite each year is for Microsoft to communicate and educate on their products, upcoming and existing. This year's event will be in person and online. The top threats for the past month, which Microsoft have highlighted, are on screen now. Microsoft also discovered a one-click account hijacking vulnerability on TikTok's Android app, which TikTok has since fixed. There are now new VM series available already in multiple regions, featuring Ampere ARM-based processors. The first four types are general-purpose Azure VMs, which can run Linux enterprise workloads. The new VMs provide one of the lowest starting price points in the general-purpose portfolio. There are also two new memory-optimized VM series designed to run Linux-based workloads, including open-source databases, in-memory caching apps, and data analytics engines. Being able to resize a disk can come up from time to time due to low free disk space, or if you're looking to provide performance increases for your applications. With Live Resize, you can now dynamically increase the storage capacity of your premium SSD and standard SSD disks without causing any disruption to your applications. And Azure Data Explorer now supports ingesting data from Amazon S3 natively. Prior to the S3 ingestion support, you had to rely on complex ETL pipelines or orchestrators to ingest data from S3. Azure Gateway Load Balancer is now generally available in all public regions, including China and government regions. Azure Gateway LB is a fully managed service enabling you to deploy, scale, and enhance the availability of third-party network virtual appliances in Azure. And Microsoft has been doing a lot of work in recent years to address sustainability. Some new planned initiatives which were recently announced include liquid immersion cooling. This helps minimize the environmental impact of physical data centers, reducing energy use while providing higher processing power. Another is grid interactive UPS batteries. Instead of having a diesel generator, for example, as most data centers have for short-term power backup, Microsoft are starting to use long-duration batteries, which can also give any excess power back to the grid. On the topic of diesel backup generators, for those that are still in play, Microsoft are switching to less carbon-intensive fuels such as synthetic diesel, natural gases, and hydrogen. Now in this nice diagram, Microsoft are calling out their end-of-service roadmap through to 2024. Some important ones to consider are in this quarter we'll see SQL Server 2012 reach end of service. And next year, we'll see a lot of 2013 products, as well as Windows Server 2012. Something else not listed there is the Azure Virtual Machines Classic. Will reach the end of support in March next year. So in wrap up, make sure to check out publiccloud.ninja for links to all our vodcasts, podcasts, and online meetups and events. And click the like and subscribe buttons so that you get notified each month when we release a new episode. Our next episode will be in October. Till then, stay safe and keep challenging yourself.